Hello and welcome to another short video. So in this video I'm going to show you another website called XRP Intel. So on that website you can basically also just gain and gather some more on-chain data. For example, here you can see the last closed ledger. So it's been 64,587,894 closed ledgers. So every 3.8 seconds or something like that, a ledger, a block, or more or less is added to the chain. And right, we can see how many accounts we have on the XRP ledger. So 3.1 million non-custodial accounts are there. We can see the top balance on this account with 2.6 billion XRP. So another account is the account of Ripple, I think. So we could quickly check that out here. Right. So yeah, this is a Ripple account. Yeah. We can see also the live transactions. So I think, yeah, right. So this is data from, yeah, this is just yeah, buy and sell orders using the integrated DEX. So and also sending orders. So the DEX is being used quite a lot. So most orders here are from decentralized exchange that is natively supported in the XRP ledger. We can see here that we have the paper plane here expresses payments which are being sent. So one XRP, one account sending XRP to another one. We can see here the hand symbolizes offers. We can see here these ones are escrows, so how many escrows are being created. Payment channels, how many payment channels are being opened. Oh, and also account stats. So somebody changed properties on his account. So we can also check out that. So there's accounts there. I'm just going to quickly open it here. What did this person do here? So, and then you can inspect the JSON. As you can see here, you can see there's a JSON response. And you can also translate that. So let's see what else is here. We can see the ledgers which have been closed, or we can also check out the accounts. We can see here, if, yeah, right, this is sorted, yeah, this is sorted by most XP. So there's also a cool tool, so you can see actually who has the most XP. So this is being sorted by XRP amount. So you can see here everybody who is holding XRP in which amount. So you can see here, for example, Chris Larson. So we've got here, right, Ripple. There's Binance, a huge stakeholder. Binance again. We've got Ripple, CoinCheck, Ripple, Kraken. Then Ripple Escrow. What else? Chris Larson has some accounts. And so on. Oh, and I also think, right, 1, 2, well, let's check this out. Yeah, it's probably this one. Okay, yeah, right. So I was not used to that, but apparently it's so 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like that. So this is quite well. You have to get used to it. So I'm also just getting started with that. So you can just check out who has the most XOP and right. So you can also do that here. So also a nice tool. So we can also check out the gateways. Right. So for example, there is probably GateHub and Bitstamp. Isn't there? So cool. Yeah, there are multiple gateways, but Bitstamp obviously is there, and also GateHub. So you can see multiple gateways and even what currencies they issue. So that's also quite a cool feature actually. So also didn't try that one here out. So the most well known is GateHub, for example. As you can see here, that GateHub issues US dollars, euros, and pounds. And that they're actually, for example, quite a lot. Well, yeah, quite a lot is relative. But you can see here that GateHub has obligations in the amount of 5.1 million euros or 17.2 million US dollars. So right, so it's being used. You can also check it out on Ripple charts. So there's their own website for that. But here you can actually check out all the issue currencies on the XRP ledger. So there are multiple companies, so gateways, which are already doing that. We've got Ripex here, we've got pay routes, so you can also check the amount out here, so how much they owe people. So, right, so that's quite interesting actually. So let's go on and check out the tags. So, right, does it look like much? No, probably not. Okay, I have to click on the tag. Well, we'll try that here then. Okay, no, never mind. So, oh, okay, it's easier for myself, I guess. So, what else do we have here? We can see here the ledgers closed. So, how many ledgers have been closed? Right. So it's always in that amount. You can see here it's about 954 and 927 ledgers being closed each hour. So you can see here it's in a daily chart and broken down on the hourly chart. You can check out the fees, how many transactions have been sent over the XRP ledger. You can see here that, for example, in the last hour, for example, till now, so that there have been over like 10,000 almost 10,000 transactions and so on. So there are more on-chain metrics basically. You can also see how many accounts are being created constantly, so that on average 0.06 accounts. The account rate at that point was 0.06. Right. What else is there? So yeah, then we've got the source code and also some APIs how we can interact with that. But this is already quite advanced. So let's see. No, right. So that's basically it. But yeah, this is quite advanced functionality here. Actually, I really like it. And you can also see it at Definite Production. So you can also follow them on Twitter. And right. So again, I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you in the next video.